Hello Dnation and welcome back to a classic unbox and review episode. Today we're going to be unboxing the Triumph Thruxton 1200cc. This is a 118 scale motorcycle manufactured by Welly, which is a rare and vintage diecast replica motorcycle. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a window type Triumph motorcycle affiliated boxing manufactured by Welly with all the product branding and information. So let's take a look at this premium boxing before we crack this thing open. So with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. To begin with, this model is a licensed product of a rare vintage motorcycle by Triumph, and this is a premium and well-detailed vintage replica and has a good build quality to it and has quite a bit of intricate details. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking like the real deal. This classic model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 2.8 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width, and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with spot-on paint tabs and branding details and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, a kickstand and a lot more, which makes it functional. And with this licensed model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. So with that being said, now let's place this beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. And as always, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium model. So with that being said, let's place this diecast motorcycle on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this all-time classic in a 360-degree view. And as we take a look at this amazing café racer, here are a few fun facts. This bike is named after the Thruxton Circuit, a racetrack in Hampshire where in 1969 Triumph won the top 3 places in the Thruxton 500-mile endurance race. These races helped establish the café racer era, where standard production motorcycles were modified to improve street and racing performance. Both the Thruxton 900 and 1200 models are produced at John Bloor's Chonburi plant, but the original Thruxton was a special based on the Triumph Bonneville from the factory at Meridian Works, where from May 1965 Triumph produced 52 tuned Thruxton Bonnies for production racing. The modern Hinckley Thruxtons are softer and less extreme, whereas the original Thruxton achieved top speeds of over 140 miles per hour. The Thruxton 900 manages only 120 miles per hour. The 1200 being of similar weight to the 900 but with 42% more power, the 1200 has a much improved power to weight ratio. But neither of these bikes should be considered as a lightweight. And for more information on the Triumph Thruxton, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go ahead and check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this Triumph Thruxton 1200. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our exciting and upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.